you see, if the storylines do not change, no beautiful building is going to change it.
Bia when you swadi hu for cinema no e wo form kakra. But asema wo catch Abena Moët. No, asema yes. Mama ka asem na enya. E me na me hu nyansa asema maka na ma apologize. Na so na so form something. MC, calm down. Nadia, calm down. Stop shouting like
MC Yaa Yeboah ne Baaba Cann on United Showbiz this Saturday. Ne nyasem ketwa wo show ne so. Ene ka ketwa bi nka so tro nyina ba mu a. De kofa nsem ni nyina ba ye no ye bebo mu nkyere mu. Mesro so be click subscribe button no. And then the first time I will share me a mesro na wa like ya feature wadwen or comment section honum. Na fe yento ayankofa ne so on all social media pages. Etebusia on Saturday 11th April 2026 on United Showbiz. Conversation it was about National Film Authority. Omonsem omode abetu dwa over the week no ye hu say empenifo enenam old cinemas no hwehwe how eniema tie wo honum because some person mo renovation na cinema no yesi said ye beboa ama industry netimi akonanim eno na Abena Moët etre se eyade a storyline ne ade ewo movie Ghana movie ni mu no eto de bi na eniema nkoyi enti enye cinema ne hu hia crisis a because ye besi dan na si ho fefefe nde na se storyline no eye bomba efa so bi akra emba cinema no eso eno na Baaba Cann etre se bia ne nimde efa cinema ho ewo form kakra ebusia MC Yaa Yeboah at one side no say no baba asema wo ka kire Abena Moët die sebe wanka say ye be ya twesan ne pacho Baaba Cann see on TV da adenti na MC Yaa Yeboah kire ne say asem na okan ne wanka ne ye na on pacho.
I don't think it is just about the cinemas. It is about our movie industry as a whole. Why a cinemas now storyline here? Now we imagine kissing, now we can Shakira. Now, like you see, if your storylines do not change, no, you see, if your storylines do not change, no beautiful building is going to change it. Even without the cinema, if the it's when you'll be able to have to know Jackie voice over. Like the Jackie is not singing. Like some of the storylines. I mean, there was a time when Frank Rajamoni they did it, and that time these cinemas were not there, and still the movie industry got to a certain point. That time a friend say, "Omodi new storylines ni John Dumelo omu buy no." Now our cinemas were not there, but the industry still thrived. Kumawood there was no cinemas, but it thrived. The cinema is a good idea because right now everyone is okay movie premiere. Why premiere anyway? These malls, the pricing is ridiculous. Sometimes you just break even. Sometimes you might even run at a loss. And also, apart from say we are because so revamp and that's okay cinema. Let's look at Gomwa. Look at how many people out that are not in Accra want to be part of it. Yeah, brand is a friend is a school be hall. What about the other regions? Are they not among? They should be among. It's yes, I get 10% more revamping there, but let's think about the other regions. We have 16 good regions. Why are we always focusing on one? Imagine say and I want to say Yaa Yeboah capital internet say but imagine the impact and the effects they will have on the people in the other regions. So yes, like I said, it is a good idea, but we should think about the other regions too. MCCB and then also just say it is not about the cinema. It is about your stories. It is about the movies you're churning out, the quality. If it is the same storyline, and now all can. When put that on way I told you so. On way I told you so. Your friend is saying playing on the Bible. Some stories are there. Oh yeah, you don't even need to. Your friend is saying.
Yes, only when in Lebanese for the other.
It's a mono.
It's just saying
it's a mono makokana, mono munka. Storylines need be like people are selling their. And America for. Yes, World War II, but they have said movie on baby on movie. They sell themselves through their movies. There are a lot of stories and we don't need a cinema. JJ Rollins. In is it true? It's not true. We are Santwa. Like these stories, people. Now say Hollywood movie. story aka ho. Amu de name ba ka superheroes. Go go and say ya any mischievous. Look at the stories. We have so many stories we are yet to actually imagine if you are doing a story on Kufo why a whole story on Kufo. Why?
And it's like people have the idea, but the money to do it is.
You are doing a movie and they are kissing. Why can you not do a movie about the president? Like, what is the difference? But our stories must change.
Baba.
Me, I have questions.
Maybe some. Because I have no answer for
it. Definitely a motion. I have questions. Adena chinchina ye per se ye the old cinemas no and no na ye per se ye sign. Is it the
structure no what I don't think
structure ne say nyamode nti mo current mo current na mo ko
say dia na bi kwa patam ni ponso
mo wie ye no ye wo eyi kwame pacho so yellow pacho so yellow onabo pacho so yellow nti we wie nti yellow
afina me koma
afina okay nti aha na metia ubetimi correct me ye mrem no untimi to be just like that even if the person is a squatter. Hwe nipa nko anom omote ehonom e wo so wo baby mo obia anse watuom nti yenni yensa asiasa won kran kurum ha yentimi nsi bibi foforo e wo baby foforo
so mami bisa wase ni nti wo betra masasa na me pabo a
yes
this is a problem ma ukoda
yes yes emrawa wontimi nsori ntu ne keke
no me tu obi ba se me saka so me ma
bet na wo fie
ma se me saka baby ma woda woda me fie no
abena obi kra bet na wo fie 12 years straight
and then
one hand one year dino cry ne di enti enye sanity eno net say be yi omu nyina free for na ya ye hono you know that cinema
say na say aka so for kwan wey you feel
empress ka so for no mo ton ade o ka kwan
na me tell say so wo kan so wo cinema ni play you be movie ni akwa akora
you do realize the main kind of saying the picture I'm trying to create
create me ba nya botre
bia when you swade hu for cinema no e wo form kakra but me tobo mame kasanwi me many swade hu for cinema no
Dabi cinema no ya ban dia na say you private
enya ban dia
private individuals
you know be have a discussion about private cinema culture
yes
we be planning
I dey wait say you no wan gasa
because there are so many questions me I have so many questions
kasabata sama wo catch Abena Moët
no
you can't until response no it's
no, don't tell me to apologize.
MC
Are you the host to come and look at who? When you stand in the mirror, open your eyes. Calm down. Nadia, calm down. Stop shouting like we are mighty. Calm down. This is not the first time you are doing this. Are you the one to tell me? It's a discussion. Let me sit down and keep quiet. No, wait. Let me say this. This is not the first time this is happening.
Oh, na baba bibi kakra na said the wakuma. I wonder. She
doesn't have the right to tell me to apologize to somebody.
You should not make her apologize.
You are not the one who said it.
I said it.
You are not the one who said it. What did the man say?
I said it.
Ono no Benham.
Yes. Why?
Because if you don't know that I should give it to you.
Why are you taking this so personal? This is not the first time she's doing this.
Okay.
First of all, this is a round table discussion. Let us note to say, Ano de kasa, me to me bim. Me kasa, ano to me bim. Ziga kasa, abena to me bim. It is a round table discussion. And yet, a young monologue now have it wahasi. You are talking with people, and so when you talk and you say something, no, because somebody can interject. It doesn't mean someone who can say it. Nyanse ni manaso ni pane shut down. So when you sit here and we have a round table discussion, and I was even joking, and I apologize to her. Then hold on, then all of a sudden you flare up, and this is not the first time she's doing this. This is the second time she's doing this.
Oh yes,
hold on.
Oh yes,
I can Empress. I can do more than that.
I know.
Obviously. Yeah, you can do more than that. Do it with people. Do it. You're having a conversation with people. And you know, and I should apologize to somebody. You commanding me to apologize to somebody is not an intervention.
As someone can only agree. No, Abba, you don't do that. Why?
You have issues. Yeah, you have issues. I have issues. You have issues. So you don't hear. You sit here and say, I have issues.
Last words, please, I said I beg you, Mr. Mepacho. Please, Mepacho,
initiative come on. And I can understand where Baba is coming from. Very difficult because some cinemas are already occupied. What it will be a very Herculean tax, but initiative a year. Ziga can about the box office because the box office is connected to cinemas. Say only cinemas we can't have a box office. And usually in the box office predominantly the ticker. Once you get your chunk of your money from the box office, you are connected to cinemas now. Would better work before crowds and CD or streaming platforms, and that is what we are missing. But Empress, offer filmmaking, your elements and asset stages, your pre-production, and your production itself, your post-production, and then your exhibition. That's where the cinema, any distribution. Now offer pre-production, production, post-production, especially Sika. If any if you say more tackle, guess what? They are now tackling the fourth stage, which is exhibition. Now they've left out pre-production production, and most importantly, distribution. So, and if you don't help filmmakers not to produce,
how do you feel the cinemas?
How? What? Do you understand? You movie
produce so no money baby on me
no, but okay, so the it's a product in what are you going to exhibit?
Since what you need to do
class one.
Yes. No.
So what you're ready?
Mandate. Film arts number NFN mandate somewhere.
Okay.
You can't go and tackle stage 4 when you've not helped with stage 1, 2
and 3.
because see yes, let's assume so much of a 16 money be a movies no way. Everything in now because they do not have money to do move. Check.
Also, it's because of money.
There's funding. Essentially, it's funding. So, if the authority does not provide the enabling environment for the filmmakers to get money to produce, what are they going to exhibit in those cinemas?
It is can one and for mom.
Provide the enabling environment. So, NFL, some of your pitch series, they did a lot of initiatives. Abema filmmakers in this because so need funding now. On co-produce movie, And again, let's compare 15 years, 10 years. The number of movies they produce at Tabafon.
Like I said earlier, is it about only cinemas and asset storyline also matters? Make sure so share your comment section ho. Your friend me about loudest. Subscribe it, like it, comment it. Na yentwa yon kufane so on all social media pages. Baby about loudest. Mcbrown.